back to my channel. I hope you all are fine. So I'm back with another beginner friendly easy tutorial. So this one is a drawing of lips with lip art inside, and it is very easy to follow. All you have to do is follow the instructions properly. So first you're gonna make the outline, and when you're done with that, I'll tell you what to do next. So now you're gonna take a red colored pencil and you're gonna do it in the left side of the lip, upper lip, but you're not gonna do it all the way to the corner, and you're gonna remain a distance from the corner of the lip because we are gonna do something else in that area. So you have to keep all the colors away from the corners, not both corners, only the left one. Okay, so next up you're gonna take an orange color, and doing the burnishing or the layering process, you're gonna blend the two together. And if you don't know this method, I'll explain you a little. So it's just that you lay out one color very light, and then you take the other color and you overlap it on top of the previous color, and also do it a little further than the area where you stopped the previous color. And then you take a third color like you see me doing here, and then you overlap it to the second color on top of the second color, and also do it a little further. So I'm gonna do this process is for 4 colors: red, orange, yellow, and yellow. And once you have done one layer and you have done placing your colors, you're gonna repeat the layers over and over again. And then when you feel like you have done enough layers, in the last layer you're gonna press hard with your color pencils, and it's gonna blend your colored pencils. You're gonna do the exact same thing on the lower lip as well. So as I told you before, that you're gonna repeat this process with many layers, not that many, like 4 layers at least, before pressing hard with the colored pencils. So now you see me repeating the layers with the first 2 colors first, and then the next 2. So like I'm pairing the colors into groups of 2 because that's easier and quicker, I'd say. It's just my opinion, okay? You can do it with any method that you like or you know. So now I'm gonna erase the outline lightly, which I drew with the pencil. I just drew it hard, I mean like in a dark way, to show you the outline so you can also draw it on your drawing sheet. So after erasing it, you're gonna outline the lips again, but this time with a red pencil. Now I'm gonna take a gray pencil and outline all the teeth, and then do it on top of the teeth, like the top part of the teeth and the lower part as well. And after that, I'm just gonna fill in the teeth with white colored pencil, and that's gonna do it. Now I'm just gonna take a light pink color and a dark pink color. The dark pink looks like red in the camera, but it's dark pink only. So I'm gonna do light pink in the middle of the tongue, middle parts of the tongue, not in the outline, and I'm gonna do the dark pink in the outline of the tongue. And I also just did a little in the red part of the lips. So, and then you're just gonna blend the 2 pinks together. That's it. I'm gonna take black and fill in the area between the teeth and the tongue, and that's it for the inside of the mouth. Now using the same black color, I'm gonna outline the parts. You remember we left the one corner of the lips? Yeah, I'm gonna outline that with black and then draw a design which is quite random but not that random, so like you have to see what type of shapes it is and then you can do it with your own choice. After doing those shapes, I'm gonna fill it in, and the next step is gonna be the highlights. Like a jelly roll or even whitener. I'm using whitener because my jelly roll does not work on top of my colored pencils for some reason, so I'm just gonna use whitener, add some highlights in the tongue and the lips and even the teeth. There is a little, so yeah, that's the last part, and then you just have to do your signatures and your drawing is done. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you understood, and I also hope that this was helpful for you, and I'll see you guys in another video.